Flamingo chef, show us what you got with cocktails and dishes that hit the sweet spot.
Hey guys, Bill, the Kansas Flamingo chef. Happy Mardi Gras. Yeah, it's Mardi Gras weekend. Today is actually Valentine's Day. This is a very rare occurrence where Valentine's Day not only falls on a Saturday, but also during the Mardi Gras festival. So I broke out kind of both, right? I've got the flamingos and the fun, and the jacket has flamingos too, but I thought I'd do a little extra pink for Valentine's Day. With that said, we're going to make the drink that's famous in New Orleans, the Hurricane. This is a hurricane glass. The Hurricane actually originated at a bar in New Orleans called Patty O'Brien's, and its competitor drink is known as the Hand Grenade, which comes from a bar on Bourbon Street. There are hundreds of variations of this drink. Some of them are not even really hurricanes. They just pour a bunch of rum and fruit juice in a glass and hand it to you, kind of like we've done with the Mai Tai, which don't even get me started. But we're going to make a more traditional hurricane that you can make at home without having to go out and find very unique stuff or order that stuff from patios. So you're going to need a shaker full of ice, 2 kinds of rum. You're going to need a dark rum. I highly recommend using Myers. And you're going to need a light aged rum. For this, I'm just using Cruisin'. It's cheap. It's fine. We're also going to need some passion fruit nectar. Now, if you can find a thing of passion fruit juice, that's fine. Use it instead. I like the puree like this. It's easier to come up with. You can find it at a lot of bar supplies, Total Wine. You can get it on Amazon, what have you. We're going to need some grenadine. I've made my own. In fact, I'm going to make some more here in a minute. I probably might film it just so you can see how easy this stuff is to make and not buy that junk that they have at the store. Orange juice from the good old Kroger. Pineapple juice. You do not need really expensive pineapple juice, just the cheap stuff. This is also from Kroger. And then last but not least, you're going to need some lime juice. Now, here's the thing. You can squeeze limes. You can use the lime juice, the real lime stuff. That's fine. But honestly, to get the right flavor, I really recommend you use this stuff. This is key lime juice. It's a sweeter flavor that works better in this drink. We're going to start with the rum. So I'm going to use 1.5 ounces of each one of these rums. Oh, by the way, don't put spiced rum in this. Just fight the urge. Just don't do it. We're going to use 1/2 ounce of lime juice. Like I said, I really recommend you use the key lime juice. It just produces a better flavor. We're going to use 1 ounce of the passion fruit syrup, which is dripping all over my bar at the moment. So that'll be a sticky mess I got to clean up. I'm going to use 1 ounce of orange juice. An ounce of pineapple juice. You see a theme here. And last but not least, the grenadine is going to change the flavor a little, not very much, but depending on what color you want the drink, the more you put in here, the more red it will be. I'm going to use about 1 ounce of grenadine. Then we're going to shake this up. After you shake it, all you got to do is strain it over ice. Like I said, if you want it more red, use more grenadine. I like it the natural color with just a little bit of influence. Look at that. It's almost like I knew what I was doing. There's a hurricane. Now, you can top this with an orange slice, a cherry. You can make it as fancy as you want. I'm just going to stick a flamingo umbrella in it and call it good. And I'm going to enjoy it. Happy Mardi Gras, everybody. If you'd like to see other drinks, all you got to do is let me know. Shoot me an email, bill@kansasflamingochef.com, or just comment on this video. In fact, I'd rather you did that because it helps the algorithm. Please like, share, and subscribe. Let me know if there's something you'd like me to make, whether it be a food or drink item. If you have a question, comment, whatever it might be. Happy Valentine's Day to those of you who care, and happy Mardi Gras to everybody, and I'll see you real soon. Eat fabulous.